What's up, what's up? Welcome back to Scarface por todos lados. As you can see, we have Sapphire and we got Karen all cleaned up. Both of these trucks have Raceline wheels. When you get sponsored, it's time to pay up those dues for the sponsorship. These trucks were requested at LST Raceline wheels. So we washed them, we cleaned them. We're gonna go drop them off. You guys are gonna check it out. I'm driving Sapphire. My daughter is driving Karen. Are we gonna race? Are you gonna stomp on it or no?
No, what?
Huh? A little bit?
No, my license got suspended, remember?
Cállate! We're gonna send a shout out to.
Shout out to all the nursing school students.
There we go. So sit back, relax. This might be a small video, and it's about dropping these trucks off at LST. We'll record a little bit on LST, and then I'll record a little bit on the road. So let's get on the road and take off. This is my speedometer. PI clusters, where you at? I need you. I need a cluster. But I need a custom cluster. Can you see back there? That's my daughter with La Karen. Karen is right behind us. Well, we gotta stop real quick. I don't know how much E85 I have in this truck. It doesn't have a gauge. So we're gonna stop at that Sunoco right there. Normally, they have the best E85 from any other gas station. So we're gonna stop right there, check it, and see how much gas we have. Do some E85. E85, ahí está. Ya checamos el E85, está bueno. Hay que llenar el tanquecito para que no nos vaya a faltar E85 por todos lados. Ahorita vamos a ir a hablar con Ruby. So how does it feel to step on it? You feel that adrenaline rush? So you want a Ford now?
I've always wanted to.
Oh, hell yeah! Alright, it's time to roll out. Scarface right there waiting on us. We're almost at the show. We're almost there. We're almost there. All the car wash guys are right there. Everybody that comes and does detail, right there. Check it out. You can see the badass rides cruising around. Check that one out. Look at that one. Look at this one coming up. Emmett boy. And this is LST right here, Lone Star Throwdown. This is the venue. You can see already all kinds of tarps and hater made, bad gear. Check it out. See the Scarface trailer on that side over there. Scarface trailer's over there. We're gonna go check in the trucks. We gotta go to that little canopy for our registrations. Nice, nice. What's up, man?
What's going on?
We are with Raceline Wheels,
Alright.
Franco, and Ruben, the driver.
Okay.
I got these 2 trucks right here.
Okay, I just need your license then.
All right. We're out in here in the venue. Everybody's setting up. You can see rides already. Traigo las mamalonas, check it out. Otro pedo. We got the one for Karen. I need the Sapphire one. It's a 99 F-150. All right, we got our stickers. Let's go park this girl. Raceline for all love. This is the spot right here. All right, Sapphire's staying right here. And as you can see, on the gas has their Can-Am. Check it out. Got some rides in here. And all the wheels. All right, so we left Sapphire, and now we're gonna go park La Karen. Ruby, where'd your mom go? Oh, I see her. Mrs. Scarface to the rescue. She's here to pick me up. Uber, Uber, right here. Un pinche ride, por favor. Mírala, trae su sticker bien puesto. Thank you for the lift. What is Ruby doing? Why did she get off the truck? Did she go pee already? Hey, why do you have the keys? Ma'am, here's your keys.
Thank you.
And don't be stepping on it, please. Follow us. We got Fat Fabs right there. Check out that truck right there. Damn. Oh, look at the Fords. Oh, look at that blue Ford. Sheesh. Nice truck, man. It's gonna be crazy. So they told me at the entrance, you can't bring your truck right now, your other 2 trucks. I was like, what? I'm gonna bring them tomorrow. As soon as we can. We met here. Oh, because it's gonna get packed tomorrow. Right here. Oh, I have to wash the Can-Am. Oh, yeah. It has a lot of dust. Bronco's almost ready. We gotta load them up. On this side. Fusion bumpers up there. Kicker, CCA. Mira, girl, trucking. That's gross. Kicker. Fury tires. JTX. ¿De qué lado? Allá va hasta on the gas. Look at the Bronco. Damn, that Bronco's nice. Oh, look at that Ford. Damn. That thing is killer. Ay, mira nuestra tent. Digo, nuestra tent. Nuestra trailita. ¿Dónde dejando la pinche? La cámara. We're gonna go right here. Ruby, go this way and reverse right here on this side. the Scarface tent already. Not the tent, the trailer. The trailer's already. I guess I keep saying tent because I'm excited. La madre. Come on, come on, come on. Back it up, back it up, back it up. It's recording.
Okay.
So we got the JTX Forge right there. Look at that. This
Griselda's
Griselda's cousin. And as you can see over there, look, I'm the gas truck. It's over there. Look at these rides coming together. Nice rides too. You see that guy in the white shirt? He's the ex-owner.
Here.
He's the ex-owner of Karen.
Oh.
Yep. And in there is the American Force. If yeah, all of it in there. Nothing but American Force trucks. And if the Virgen Alguna makes it, she will come and be in there. So we're hoping. They got the monster trucks over here. They're gonna be giving people rides. And that's it for today. It was just a video of us dropping off the trucks and por todos lados. So thank you for watching. The next video is going to be LST. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. No pisten tanto. Si van a pistear, no manejen. Si van a pistear, me invitan. ¿Cómo ves? Porque pues están listos para el pisto todos. Scarface por todos lados. Nos vemos. Vámonos.